being stuck at home with nothing to do, I've been trying to find ways to kind of entertain myself. And one of the things I thought would be kind of fun to do would be go through some of my old videos on my channel, back from when I really first started doing this, and just kind of talk about them, what they were made out of, and kind of how they came to be. So the one I'm watching right now, this is an old video from 2014. It was a trip I took. I was actually in Orlando for a conference for my job, and going back to Nashville, I took the scenic route and actually booked a trip to change planes in Detroit, just to get the extra miles. So this particular video was really when I started getting really big into GoPro, and trying to be a lot better about utilizing their stuff and kind of making it all happen. And this was the first time I ever actually used the GoPro Studio software with my camera. Back then I think I had a Hero 2, and this was really, you know, when I first started this channel, it just kind of became the repository for videos. I did a lot of travel videos and personal videos and stuff, and Facebook and then didn't really support video like they do now. So that was kind of what this video was built out of, was just having a place to put those, or what my channel was built out of was having a place to put those videos. So, and that's really all this one was just playing with the camera, playing with the software, trying it out. Did some speed up, some slow down stuff, and I mean, it was pretty basic, really, the way that it all kind of came together. But I liked it. It was fun. It was a quick little video. I mean, it's a minute and 24 seconds, but kind of an interesting example of what I've developed as my process, and what I use, or what I used to use versus what I do now, in my video creation. So, all right, that's going to be it for today. We'll do another one again tomorrow.